So we're Kahibah Sports Club, small, medium-sized club, I guess, in Newcastle area. Used to be traditionally a bowling club, very successful in its heyday, but recently changed to a sports club and to sort of suit what's happening in our area. People come out for one or two drinks and then someone's driving home, so you've really got to hit a niche market and try and diversify into family events, using the space that you have for additional income streams, or just really looking to grow revenue where it never used to exist.
Some of the board members visited our trade show stand at AG last year, already had a vision for their bar area, which they were replacing and renovating and extending for the first time in I think about 30 years, and wanted some ideas, some ideas for their bistro and dining areas.
We wanted it to be modern. We wanted it to be workable for our team. We wanted to make sure it was comfortable for our members. And one of the keys was that it was seamless throughout the club. So when you walked in from the bar area to the bistro to out the kids' play area, everything sort of flowed and it didn't look like you were going to different areas of the club.
Because the bar refurbishment project was already well underway, they had already their own vision for the dining room and had discussed in board meetings over many months budgeting and bits and pieces, so they came to us with a framework, but not sure sort of how to build that out, how to actually make it a vibrant bistro space for the area.
Spending time with Rossi and the marketing team to talk through what we're kind of looking for and get their expert opinion on what fits in. Obviously the board had their say in what we choose and what it looks like. We had the idea we wanted some booths and to increase our capacity. What that looked like we were a bit questionable on, but working with Nextrend sort of cleared up any of those questions or concerns.
The best way to enable a board to understand what the manager and what the consultant designer is thinking about and talking about is to provide really detailed floor plans and, in our case, the 3D photorealistic renders.
The 3D renders that Rossi provided was critical to get the project ahead, given the go-ahead by the board. People can't imagine what it would look like with different colours and different schemes, and especially if you're going to present, we could go with this style or this style and how it fits into whatever else is happening in the club. I think it's critical. Without that, it'd be a challenge. Mostly it was about utilising the space and getting more availability of seats. So by putting the booths there, we've gone from about 20 seats up to about 40. So it doubles our capacity in this area, but it also, with our groups, it gives them an option to lock the kids in one area and the family to enjoy themselves a little bit more.
The feedback I've received from the club is very positive. Whenever I speak to Adam and Alex, they tell me anecdotally about groups, about visitors, about big days they've had and how popular and how busy the dining room and the bistro is.
Since we've relaunched with a new bar and new furniture, new venue, then our sales are up about 20%.